the biggest thing you want to do when you're filing a complaint is you try to keep emotions out of it and keep it all factual. I mean, first off, where you file the complaint is important. So, obviously, state of Colorado, it's going to be with Dora,
Right.
and
Different, but it's usually like some version of the Department of Insurance.
but the biggest thing you want to do when you're filing a complaint is you try to keep emotions out of it and keep it all factual. Going back to Taylor's point, you don't want to be the boy that cries wolf, but you want to keep it very, very professional and factual because they're going to respond probably 10 times better than that versus someone that's just complaining that, hey, this isn't moving anywhere. Well, what are the facts?
Yes,
People tend to jump
exactly.
on the facts a lot faster than the emotions. So,
Right. So just know that the Department of Insurance gets a lot of complaints because it's you plus millions of people that
mhm,
also are angry at their insurance company. But if you do what Chris says and keep it factual and less emotional, take out the emotions from that complaint and be very factual. This happened on this date. I made a call on this date. I spoke with this person on this date. And so being very factual versus emotional is a huge part of this because understand that the insurance Department of Insurance gets a ton of complaints and
mhm,
you being factual versus emotional pushes you to the top of that line because they then don't have to, well, that's BS, that's emotional, they're angry, blah, blah, blah. Yes, you're angry. We get it because that's the reason you're filing a complaint. So that's
yeah.
already kind of the basis of the complaint being filed against your
Mhm,
insurance company, but then be factual about what has occurred and then also what resolution you want specifically.
mhm,
That is one of the most important things. But if you're like, hey, this is what has occurred, here are the facts of the situation, this is what we feel like they should have done and they didn't do, this is what I want as a resolution. It makes a huge
mhm.
difference